Hi, Ezekiel. Good afternoon. Today we're going to be working on our IEP goals. Goals number 1 and goal number 2. Now, let's take a look. So, shampoo is to wash your hair, Ezekiel. So, look at the little boy washing his hair. Again, shampoo is to wash your hair. Now, look at the pencil. You use a pencil to write. And here you have a little pencil and a little notepad, and you use a pencil to write. Let's go ahead and look at goal number 2. We're going to read a story. We're working on story number 3 today. The title of the story is Bella and Her Plant. Bella cares for her plant. She knows what plants need. Plants need light. Bella has a lamp in her room. She lets her plant turn on the lamp. The plant turns on the light every day. Plants also need water. Bella waters her plant every week. She says, "Open up." The plant opens its mouth. Bella sticks in a straw. She gives the plant a drink. Question number 1. What in the story is not true, Ezekiel? A plant can sip from a straw. Can a plant do that? B, a plant can be in a room. Yes, we can have a plant in our rooms. What about C? A plant can need water. Yes, plants need water to grow. So something that is not true in the story is that a plant can sip from a straw. Number 2, what in the story can really happen? A girl can care for a plant. B, a plant can turn on a lamp. So what can happen? A girl taking care of a plant? Yes. Let's look at question number 3. Which one is true about plants? A, plants need a straw. Do plants need a straw, Ezekiel? No. Plants need a mouth. Do plants need a mouth to eat? No. What about C? Plants need water and light? Yes, plants need water and light to grow. When you are done, go ahead and have your dad or your mom send me a picture of your assignments. Good job, Ezekiel. Have a great day.